Welcome back to Auto Fusion. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning 2025 Toyota Corolla. This legendary compact sedan has returned with a sharper, bolder exterior. And we're here to break down every curve, line, and feature that makes the 2025 model stand out. Let's begin with the front fascia. Toyota has given the Corolla a more aggressive stance for 2025. The sleek, chiseled front grille now stretches wider than before, flanked by newly designed LED headlights that slice through the air like blades. These lights not only offer better visibility but also give the Corolla a futuristic and sporty character. Beneath the headlights, the bumper has been re-sculpted for a more aerodynamic profile. It's more than just looks. The new grille and bumper combo helps reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Toyota's engineers have cleverly blended aesthetics with performance here. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice a lower, more grounded silhouette. The 2025 Corolla rides on fresh 17 and 18-inch alloy wheel options. These wheels sport dynamic spoke patterns that enhance its motion-ready feel, even at a standstill. Bold character lines now sweep from the front fenders all the way to the taillights, giving the Corolla a sculpted and fluid appearance. The side mirrors are sleeker too, and now come in contrasting black finishes in sport trims, creating a modern, two-tone visual effect. Now let's talk about the rear. Toyota has gone all out with a redesigned rear end. The taillights are thinner, sharper, and now interconnected with a darkened trim strip. This visual connection gives the rear a wider and more athletic look. The rear bumper is now integrated with sporty creases and a diffuser-inspired design. Dual exhaust accents on select trims hint at performance without being too loud about it. The color palette for 2025 is bold and expressive. Toyota introduces vibrant new shades like solar flare yellow and galactic gray. These colors add an edge to the Corolla's personality. And when paired with blacked-out elements on sport trims, it becomes a true head-turner. Performance-wise, while we won't dive into the engine details today, it's important to note that the new design has been shaped by wind tunnel testing. The sleek lines and lower stance aren't just for style. They enhance stability and reduce wind resistance at highway speeds. That means better efficiency and a quieter ride. The exterior of the 2025 Corolla also reflects its rich history. Since its debut in 1966, the Corolla has symbolized reliability and practicality. But with each generation, it has evolved to meet modern expectations. The 2025 model proves that the Corolla is no longer just a sensible choice, it's a stylish one too. To wrap it up, the 2025 Toyota Corolla is a bold step forward in exterior design. From its aggressive front to its athletic rear, it's clear that Toyota isn't holding back. This is a compact sedan with the looks to match its legendary name. Thanks for watching Auto Fusion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth automotive content. See you in the next video.